Hey guys, today I have two big announcements, and the second one is something that you have been asking forever, so stay tuned. But I wanted to start with that we're gonna go on a world tour. Yeah, I mean, it's not a world tour, but it feels like that. First, we have OrtoSPO, and this is next week. I'm flying tomorrow. OrtoSPO at Brazil, Sao Paulo. That is a huge event, and we're gonna be there, showing Titan, explaining how it works, announcing quite a few new things, and doing some conferences. You will love it. But right after that, we jump on a plane. It's gonna be hard, but yeah, we jump on a plane, and we're gonna be on MOPC, Mother of Pearls, here in the U.S. in Arizona. And right after that, we we go from there to visit a few universities like Harvard University, Tufts. So we're gonna be showing Titan over there, gathering impressions. Titan has a lot of content for educational potential. So we want to potentiate that. We want to explore all of this, but we want to do more than just that. I mean, not everybody's able to go to these events, so we want to bring those events to you. And this is what makes a difference. We, in our booth, the way that we have designed it this time is that we're going to have a section that is like a mini event inside those events. We're going to be, having chairs there, and we're every 2 hours or so, we're going to be giving a lecture or a conference or showing the, hands-on, showing the software. And we want you to be included in that. If you're at the event, join in. It's going to be fun. But if you're not, subscribe to YouTube. We're going to be showing all these conferences. I mean, if possible, because in advance internet is hard or so, but we're going to try to live stream those lectures, or at least record if possible, and then place in the YouTube. And we have great things. Let me show you. So we're going to be, these are some of the lectures that we're going to be showing there. So we have, showing the AIs inside Titan and how you can leverage that. Things like how the diagnosis tool work, the attachment analyzer, tips and tricks on that, on how to use the AI features of Titan to your advantage. Also, we're gonna have, a quick introductions to Titan, like from the beginning, how to install it, how to use it, how to create a patient. We're gonna be showing you the entire process. But one thing that almost no one knows fully is that Titan is not just for planning and treatment. Titan works on every point on your office, from the front desk to the technicians at the back. There is a lot of things that Titan can help you at your office. So that optimizing your office with Titan, we're gonna show you how to use Titan through your office, not just when you sit to make a treatment, but how to efficiently manage everything, and how to set it up. We're gonna show you that. And even though we're showing you how to install and create your patient, we also have workshops planned where if you take a laptop, we're gonna, guide you through the steps and have you complete a patient, have you, teach you, because learning, at least for me, is mostly you learn the things by doing them. I love that type of learning. So those workshops are perfect for that. But if you have questions, I mean, uh, suggestions, anything, we're gonna have open forum sections that in there we're gonna be getting questions from the live stream or questions from people on the event, and anything, just ask us. We're gonna be there to answer. And and finally, there, we also have a section for explaining you how to use Titan in a lab. Like if you want to set up a lab, if you want to use Titan for white labeling, if you want to do white labeling, so we're gonna show you how to do that, how to set it up, how the pricing works. We're gonna show you the full thing. And one lecture that we didn't place here, you will like it. I mean, I have been advised not to do it, but I like it. I like it. So we have a big thing planned for Titan, a schedule. We have a big roadmap. I want to give you an overview of what's ahead. You already know how fast we have been moving, and there is a lot of things that we are releasing every single week. But where are we going? There is going to be another lecture for that. So if you like these things, jump into YouTube, subscribe if you haven't, and there's gonna be live streams there. Join the live stream, send your questions, see Brazil in action. We're gonna walk you through those locations so that you see it with us. It's gonna be an experience. We want to be an event inside an event, so join us. Um, now, let's see. Now for the final event, for the final uh, announcement, and this is huge. This is huge. Just today, just a few hours ago, Titan got approved on the App Store. So if you have an iPad, open the App Store, and Titan is over there on the App Store. So you're able to do face scans. You're able to use the iPad to show your patients. Get there. Titan is now on the App Store. It may take a few hours to roll out on all the countries. I don't know where you're located, but today is gonna be available. So yeah, it's gonna be excited. Let's see what you can come up with. It's try the face scanning, use the all the tools. Yeah, let's try it. I'm excited. And again, let's meet on these events. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Have a good one.